Have you ever slipped on a pair of shoes that looked perfect in the store, only to regret them after just an hour because every step felt like torture? Or maybe you've noticed that styles you once loved now leave your feet aching by the end of the day. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. After 50, our feet deserve extra care, but that doesn't mean sacrificing style. In today's video, I'm sharing 7 shoe styles that could be secretly aging you or causing unnecessary discomfort, along with chic and comfortable alternatives you'll love. Stay with me, because shoe number 5 is one that many women still keep in their closets, and it's probably doing more harm than good. Let's begin. Shoe number 1, sky-high stilettos. Those pencil-thin heels may have once been your go-to for weddings, dinners, and glamorous nights out, but let's be honest, they're a recipe for pain after 50. Stilettos force your feet into an unnatural angle, piling pressure on the ball of your foot and making balance more difficult. Even short wear can leave lingering soreness for days. But here's the truth: elegance doesn't require suffering. The smarter alternative? A block heel between 1 to 2 inches. It still gives you that graceful lift and elongating effect, but without the instability. Look for cushioned insoles and a slightly rounded toe box that allows your foot to sit naturally. A suede block heel in taupe or navy is versatile enough to pair with dresses or trousers while keeping your look polished. The best part? Many luxury brands now design block heels that look every bit as refined as stilettos, only infinitely more comfortable. Shoe number 2, completely flat ballet flats. At first glance, ballet flats seem like the safe and comfortable option, right? Slip them on, and you feel light on your feet. But here's the catch: traditional paper-thin ballet flats provide almost no arch support. Without cushioning, they can lead to heel pain, plantar fasciitis, and tired legs, especially if you're walking on hard surfaces for long periods. So what's the smarter alternative? Choose flats with a hidden lift and built-in arch support. A slight heel of just a 1/4 inch makes a world of difference by relieving pressure on your arches. Look for versions made from soft leather or suede. They mold naturally to your feet over time, creating a custom fit that feels as good as it looks. For extra polish, select a pair with a slightly rounded toe that comes up higher on your foot to avoid the dreaded toe cleavage. European women have long mastered this trick-pairing supportive flats, with everything from tailored trousers to midi skirts for an elegant, everyday look. Think chic, not childish. A sleek neutral or a soft metallic shade adds sophistication while keeping your outfit versatile. Shoe number 3, backless mules. Without support, mules and slides may look effortlessly chic and convenient. But here's the hidden problem, as backless designs force your toes to grip constantly just to keep the shoe on. That repeated strain can lead to hammer toes, muscle fatigue, and even changes in your natural walking pattern over time. So, what's the stylish fix? Look for mules with structure and security. A deeper footbed that cradles your heel or a subtle strap across the instep makes a huge difference. Some modern designs even add discreet elastic for that perfect balance of comfort and style. For example, a leather mule with a cushioned footbed and a small block heel around 1 inch gives you stability, posture support, and elegance without the toe-gripping struggle. Italian fashion icons often elevate their mules with refined details. Think woven leather textures, sleek metallic buckles, or polished neutrals that pair beautifully with both casual denim and tailored skirts. This way, you keep the ease of slip-on shoes, but with smarter support and timeless sophistication. Shoe Chapter 4, rigid pointed toe. Boots. Pointed toe boots may look sleek on the shelf, but here's the truth: Those sharp, narrow fronts squeeze your toes into an unnatural triangle shape. Over time, this can trigger bunions, corns, and even nerve pain. And since our feet tend to widen slightly with age, the pressure becomes even more uncomfortable after 50. The elegant alternative? Switch to almond toe boots. This softly rounded point still elongates your leg and keeps the refined look, but without crushing your toes. Look for designs with a wider toe box that lets your toes spread naturally when walking. The most flattering boots also hit just at, or slightly below, the widest part of your calf, creating a slimming line. A discreet stretch panel or elastic insert can add comfort while maintaining that polished silhouette. Pair these boots with straight-leg trousers, midi skirts, or even wrap dresses for a balanced and sophisticated style. Pro tip: if you already own leather boots that feel too snug, don't toss them. A professional cobbler can stretch the leather in key areas, transforming an uncomfortable pair into one of your wardrobe favorites. Shoe number 5. Unsupportive flip-flops. Flip-flops may feel like the ultimate symbol of summer ease, but here's the reality. They offer zero arch support, and your toes have to constantly grip just to keep them on. That gripping action doesn't just tire your feet, it can actually alter your natural gait over time. Plus, those thin, flat soles provide no cushioning against hard pavements, leaving you with aching heels, sore arches, and even knee pain. And let's be honest, the constant slapping sound isn't the most elegant look either. The stylish alternative? Modern comfort sandals. These aren't the clunky orthopedic styles you might be picturing. Today's best sandals feature contoured footbeds, adjustable straps, and a slight platform or low heel that gives both support and lift. Choose soft leather straps that won't dig into your feet and cushioned soles that absorb impact. For elegance, look for metallic, neutrals like bronze, pewter, or gold. These shades go with everything, from linen trousers to summer dresses, while elevating your look instantly. Think of it as taking the ease of flip-flops, but adding the sophistication and support your feet truly deserve. Shoe number 6. Chunky orthopedic sneakers. Now let's talk about sneakers. Supportive shoes are a must, especially after 50, but those oversized, chunky orthopedic sneakers. They can actually do the opposite of what you want. Yes, they're supportive, but visually, they can weigh down your entire outfit, making you appear shorter and heavier than you are. The good news? Today's market is full of sleek, supportive sneakers that deliver both comfort and style. Look for pairs in monochromatic tones like all white, soft grey, or navy. These create a streamlined effect instead of drawing bulky attention to your feet. What really makes the difference is construction. Choose sneakers with ample cushioning, arch support, and a flexible sole, but in a slimmer profile. That way, you still get all the orthopedic benefits without sacrificing elegance. Pair them with straight-leg jeans, midi skirts, or even casual dresses. This is the weekend look stylish European women have mastered. Chic, comfortable, and completely age-appropriate. Think effortless Parisian walk to the market, not heavy gym shoe. Shoe number 7. Outdated wedge heels. Now here's one that might surprise you. Not all wedges are bad, but those chunky, cork-bottomed wedges with thick straps. They can instantly date your look and create a heavy, anchored appearance that visually shortens your legs. And after 50, that's the exact opposite of what we want. Instead, think modern wedges with a sleeker silhouette. Look for a heel no higher than 2.5 inches with a slim profile and maybe a minimal front platform for balance. Natural materials like raffia or smooth leather feel current and far more elegant than synthetic versions. The most flattering wedges actually reveal a bit more of the foot, whether through an open front or slimmer ankle, strap creating a lighter, lengthening effect. A nude or skin tone wedge, in particular, can give the illusion of longer legs and pairs beautifully with cropped pants or airy summer dresses. When you shop, pay attention to how the wedge affects your ankle line. The right design should extend the leg visually, not cut it off. That's the subtle detail that transforms wedges from dated to refined. Closing section. And there you have it. Ladies' 7 shoe styles that might be quietly sabotaging both your comfort and your style, along with chic alternatives that prove you never have to choose between looking good and feeling good. From swapping sky-high stilettos for elegant block heels to trading flimsy flip-flops for supportive sandals, each adjustment creates a wardrobe that works with your lifestyle, not against it. Remember, style isn't an age, it's a mindset. The right shoes don't just protect your feet, they elevate your entire presence. Because when you're comfortable, your confidence shows, and that's always the most fashionable accessory you can wear.